Here's your new roof.
This isn't craftsmanship. This is speed roofing. Numbers over quality. And people get stuck paying for it. The worst part, most folks never see it until it leaks, fails, or falls apart years sooner than it should. We're not here to sell you. We're here to show you what to watch for. Check permits. Ask for install photos. Look inside your attic. If they rush the cleanup, they probably rushed the install. You don't need to be a roofer. You just need to know what lazy looks like. Follow us if you actually care about how your roof gets built.